actually whom you're playing with?
Hey! I said put the knife down! No! No! Move it! Move it! Move it, I said! You come this side. Come on. Move on.
Priya, come.
I said
Come,
move
Mike.
on.
It's not safety for us to travel this train. Come, let's get on from here. Come. Slowly.
Carefully.
Hold my hand. Come. Hey, careful.
Priya, how do we say thanks in Hindi?
बहुत शुक्रिया.
Hey, Mike, where are you going? Stop. Hey, Mike.
Son of a bitch!
Bhaiya. Shukriya.
Come, Mike. Mike, do you have some money to get some
For
tea?
drinking tea, you don't need money. Mouth is enough.
You always come empty-handed.
First of all, I didn't have money for ticket. I asked from you.
My dear friend, then what guts did you have to bring that girl to another place and live?
Hey, you destroyed that in the first place, na? For a friend's love to be successful, I have seen friends who have sacrificed their everything in their life. But a friend who destroys love, I have seen for the first time in my life.
Hey, I've done a good thing for you, okay? Actually, I have not done anything. She knew that you are financially very weak. That's the reason she left you. I'm very sure about that. Mike, I don't think even Priya's got money with her.
Looks like she is wearing something. God knows that whether that is gold or gold covering.
What, Mike? What happened?
No, nothing. Just that when we ran from the train, I have left my bag there and I lost my debit card, credit card, everything.
Oh my God, I'm sorry. How much it was there?
No, nothing. Just around 50,000.
What?
The weather is very hot here, na?
Because of me only you're facing all these problems. After going to Chennai, I'll just return everything.
Don't give it in check, just give it in cash.
Hey, Priya, he's just joking and taking you for a ride. He doesn't have a visiting card, you know? You think he'll have an
Again, he's
ATM card?
making fun.
Priya, those guys have torn the documents and destroyed evidence. Now, how will you go to the court?
That is not a matter. All that were copies only. All originals are at home. So after going to Chennai, we can take printout. It's not an issue.
Superb. Actually, what he said is a good thing only. What is his problem in changing the machine? Is machine important or life?
Because of their carelessness only. Even if we want to dig the drainages also, there is a lot of life risk. There is a rule that children should not work in the crackers factory. But after the loss of 24 kids only, we are able to follow that rule. Even in a highway road also, well will be open for long years. But when a bus fell down and got loss of 100 lives, after that only they are closing the well. The cost of that slab is only 5,000. If this was done before means 100 lives may be saved. For the authorities to check the school bus also, a kid must be fell into the wheel and die. There is a security for ATM machine also, but not for the human lives. After the loss only they are taking action. But I am taking action for not of any more life loss.
Divya! Aha, what an awesome time. God itself is sending us an ambassador car.
You fool. That's not an ambassador. It's an Audi car.
Who cares what car it is? He is driving as if he is learning. What, dude? Looks like a small chick is hatching and peeping out of the egg.
What nonsense are you doing here? How dare you stop my car? Can't you find any other place to end your life?
If you don't brush your teeth, I'll die of bad breath. Shit. Gone over. Oh my God. Sir, I didn't come to die, sir. I just asked a lift from
Hey!
you.
When you're asking a lift, you should ask like this. If you come in between, vehicle will go above on you. You don't even know the basic way of asking a lift. You stupid fellow, good for nothing. Look at me. I said look at me.
Can't bear your bad
Can you
breath.
ask a lift in the running crane? Can you block a flight and ask a lift in that? Do you think fools are driving a car? Do you know the actual rate of this car? It is rupees 1 crore, man. You should have a status to travel in this car, okay?
What is so important? You just need butts to sit.
Are you kidding? Do you know how many VVIPs are waiting for me? In my life, each and every minute, each and every second, I have built it myself.
Hey, I don't mind even if you don't give me lift. For heaven's sake, please keep your mouth shut. We'll take care of all that.
Look, do you know whom you're talking to? Have you heard about Arabic businessman?
Hey, did he ask? Did he ask for it? He's much better than you. Now you go from here.
I cannot go.
Then you stay here.
Tell me, my sweetheart.
Where are you, man?
In the middle of the forest.
You'll get it nice
What
from
did
me.
you say?
Maya is scolding sister.
No, I did not tell
Then
you,
who is
sweetheart.
there? I'm asking you only. What you're talking all the rubbish.
Across the road, those two monkeys were hit
What?
by my car.
I told you to bring the car only, no? You're taking the car and roaming
Shut
the
up,
ladies,
idiot.
right?
No.
For your nasty face, am I not enough for you?
Mary.
Taking the car and roaming as you wish? Come home.
No,
You're going to
no,
stay in the
please,
stable
please,
only.
Mary.
I will never enter you into my house.
No.
Without the car if you come home.
Tell me.
God.
Hello. Hey, shit. Shut up. Just keep your mouth shut. Hello.
I know about you. You can do it, I know that.
You want money.
I want she should not enter into the court.
She has to die.
What you're saying?
What happened? What is wrong with this car now? Nonsense. The car is brand new. How can something go wrong now? If there's some technical problem, how can I find somebody now to repair it? Shit, man. How did this come here now? Staring me like this. Oh. Looking as well as not eaten for about 1 month. Oh, no. No. I should be very brave now. Jesus. Hi, darling. Oh.
Where are you, man?
At the same time,
I'm asking you only.
What can
Where
I
are
do?
you now?
This dog will shout.
Come on,
If I
answer
don't
me.
talk, that dog
Why
will
you're
shout.
not
What
talking
can I do
anything?
now? Let's
Were
pick
you
up the
giving
phone now.
irrelevant answers?
Hello?
Hey, what is this guy doing here? Why is he staring like this?
He said he got some meeting with some VVIP. Now he is having a meeting with a dog.
He is a useless guy, I think.
Why are you moving around with stray dogs?
I've been trapped here, my dear friend.
I didn't ask you, I asked that dog.
My dear brother, my dear sweet brother, I want a help from you.
Huh?
Please help me.
If you want help, you come here. I won't come there.
One step from me, he will attack me. Please come.
What dialogues? What shouting? You are talking big dialogues, huh? Now try speaking the same thing to the dog. I want to see.
Mike, don't pull him. Why did you get down from the car?
While I was driving the car, there was some technical problem. Then suddenly this dog is also giving some problem for me. I did not know what to do in this forest. My dear friend, please repair the dog and save the car from me.
What?
My tongue got twisted because of my fear.
Hey, what is the point in me helping you? What is our benefit?
Wherever you want to get dropped, I will drop you, my dear friend. Please help me. You can believe me, my dear friend.
Bro,
Alright.
you deal with the car. I'll take care of the dog.
Mike, give some respect for him.
My dear friend.
Hey, go man.
No. Please don't shout, my dear friend. Otherwise it will bite me.
Is it? Just wait and watch. Where's the stone?
Mike, wait, please. Doggy. Cute at once. Catch.
The dog has gone.
Again you started opening your mouth. There is no point buying a 1 crore rupee car. Buy branded quality goggles. If you buy 50 rupee goggles, this is what will happen.
No, it's not 50 rupees.
How much?
Just 5 rupees.
Hey, shut up. Hey, man! Hey, you! Hey! Just park it to the side. Come on.
Sorry, sir. I am very sorry.
What do you mean by sorry?
Actually, I was not careful. Sorry. I'm really sorry.
And you
for
were not
that.
stopping only.
Sir, I was not careful by driving, sir. If I had seen you, I would have stopped the car definitely. I'm extremely sorry for that. Please forgive me, sir.
Who is this girl?
Wife, sir.
Huh?
I said she's my wife, sir.
What is this?
Surgical equipments. I'm a surgeon, sir. I mean, doctor.
Doctor.
Yes, sir.
What man? Smelling like dead meat? Hello.
You want to see him? Don't leave her. She should not leave the checkpost. I want to see her dead body.
Anand, something is there. Little up, little right, little down.
If he would have known this, he would have applied oil all over his face.
I found the truth, you know.
What?
That you both are lovers, belong to different community, parents objected, so you left the house. This boy is your friend, and he's helping you both. Am I right?
Sir, how did you guess exactly, sir?
I know face reading, sister.
Which means you are not a dumbass as you look like.
When I see a person's face, I can tell immediately about them.
Is it?
Yes.
Then look at my face and tell me everything about me.
Idiot. Stupid.
Hey,
Good for nothing
I
fellow.
didn't ask about you. I asked about me.
If somebody scolds you, then you will be definitely silent like this. Hey, you can always just support love
Are
alone.
you trying
eh?
to call me a pimp or what?
Hey, seeing your face, no girl will love you. In spite of that, if a girl loves you, then she'll come to the railway track and commit suicide.
Mike, I didn't tell him anything.
Hey bro, where did you meet your girlfriend first time?
Wine shop.
What? Drinking habit?
In running time, if we have drinks and smoking only, it'll be enjoying, no, sir.
What do you mean?
Look straight and drive, man, you fatso.
If there is drinks, means I have to smoke, no, sir. What, Mike?
I think she has heard everything from the restroom.
Bro, other than this man's friendship, you don't have any minus point at all. Your love is definitely very pure.
You're very right, sir.
Let me stretch my foot.
Take your leg. I said take your leg. I said take your leg, you stupid! Good for nothing? How dare you keep the leg there? Do you know the cost of this car? Uncivilized barbarian? No wonder people who belong to higher society behave with you.
As if he makes friendship with only Sachin and Shah Rukh Khan.
What did you tell?
Look forward and drive, man.